Yo, 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 what up? It's Wizard with TGN.TV here with another round of Spec Out mods. Today we got some XP multiplier popping because it's my 100th video. So I want to give a big shout out and thank you to all of you for watching. We finally hit 200,000 views, so thank you. Keep coming back, keep commenting, keep rating the videos, let me know how I'm doing. If you got a video request, hit me up at wizardhacks.com and let me know what's good. So here you go, Wizard Hacks with TGN.TV. Enjoy.
Okay, all my starving artist shit. YouTube stars can eat a dick. Dirty mouth, clean it up. Get your ass a peppermint. Better yet, vodka. Also some binoculars. You can't see me. Neighborhood watcher. Double fisting glasses like asses in German porn. Always saying the best for last. Fuck a Peter, fuck a Bjorn. Never rapping for the masses. The masses I abhor, but my talent is so massive it cannot be ignored. Yeah, I flow so hard. I'm so Niagara. Dick so hard. No Viagra. Oh my lord. I don't pray much, nah, cause God don't say much. Yeah, I always got a gorgeous chick. Swag masters, you should take a course in it. Bookworm nerd girls wanna swallow this. They give me head of the class, no scholarship. Hey, why so furious? I don't mean to brag, but the swag's so serious. Never pay for bitches and they still buy curious. Do I think I'm changing the game? No, I'm sure of it. Hey, why so furious? I don't mean to brag, but the swag's so serious. Never pay for bitches and they still buy curious. Do I think I'm changing the game? No, I'm sure of it. Labels in the studio, they beg me and they kneel. I throw them out like coupons, not looking for a deal. I never fuck with suits because suits don't keep it real. I am their forbidden fruit, they know I got appeal. Skinny jeans, band tee, Converse high tops. Rock them Weezer glasses before all the black kids copped them. Yes, I'm setting trends, I am also setting bars. And if you are yet to notice, I'll make it see you see stars. Cause I am one, then one, my house, rev run. What can take?
This video is part of the Way movement, a career path for YouTubers. To learn more, visit TGN.TV.